What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a dumbbell skull crusher.
Alright, and this is the Dumbbell Skull Crusher. Placing the hands at the top of the dumbbell allows you to focus more tension on the tricep and less on the forearms. Making sure that we apply the most tension possible towards the triceps. Make sure those elbows are tucked in and completely vertical. This exercise applies most tension towards the lateral and long head of the tricep. Well, if you're ready to go to the ER for a dislocated shoulder, go ahead and do this with a little bit too much weight, and you're well on your way there. And here's a quick variation that can be used to apply less stretch to the shoulders.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a dumbbell skull crusher. Until next time.